Hi Ada. Bubble tea maker Chabaidao listed in Hong Kong last week. Unfortunately, the stock closed down 27% on its first day of trading. Other tea makers are also looking to list in Hong Kong, and some consumer stocks that you cover are also looking to list. What's the impact of this IPO on these potential listings?
Hi, John. So Chabaidao's first trading day fall will probably go down in history as one of the worst performances for IPO of a similar size. The company raised 330 million US dollars through the IPO. It is the China's third largest fresh tea maker company, and its key competitors such as Midea, which is the largest bubble tea chain by store count in China, and Guwing Holdings, the second largest, as well as a company called Sexy Tea. They are also looking to IPO in Hong Kong. The issue with Chabaidao's IPO was that the shares were undersubscribed, and this reflects weak investor sentiment and a struggling market. We think a Hong Kong listing for Midea, which is the world's largest home appliances maker, as well as an IPO of China Resources Beverage, the bottled water unit of China Resources Holdings, could face heightened risk on this weak investor sentiment backdrop. As competition for scarce fundings intensifies, the companies may have to reevaluate the timeline for the listing despite promising earnings prospects.
Okay, let's chat about CR Beverage first. How far along are they in the IPO process, and how much are they looking to raise?
So, China Resources Beverage submitted pre-listing documents on the 22nd of April. Based on our calculation, the firm could raise about 346 to 447 million US dollar during its potential IPO if we assume the company will offer 10% of its shares. This is ahead of Chaobaidao's 330 million US dollar offering, but much smaller than the IPO of its key rival Nongfu Spring, which raised 1.2 billion US dollar in August 2020. Currently, China's bottled water industry is dominated by three brands: Nongfu Spring in the still water category, Ganting in the still natural mineral water segment, and China Resources Beverage Cessborn water brand in the still purified water segment. With the potential listing, we think the competition in the industry is likely to heat up even further.
Okay, and what about the big one, Midea?
So for Midea, a Hong Kong listing could emerge among the 10 largest public offerings in the history of Hong Kong Stock Exchange based on our analysis, which we assumed if it floats 10 to 20% of its shares in a Hong Kong offering. In terms of the process, the firm has resubmitted pre-listing documents to Hong Kong Exchange on the 29th of April. We think the potential listing could help the company to tap overseas capital and also widen its investor base outside of China, as well as to fuel its globalization effort. Midea has been expanding its presence beyond China through acquisitions of established brands such as Toshiba, Eureka, and Kuka.
Okay, there's a lot going on in the consumer space. Thanks for your time, Ada.